Welcome back, YouTube, and this video is going to show you what to do before the first run of your Roomba vacuum cleaner. Make sure your Roomba is fully charged, as this one is. Make sure your dustbin is empty. I already fixed all these problems this morning, and make sure your brushes are clean. And you should know how to take out the brushes and remove the dustbin. If everything's working properly, you should be ready to go. The next thing you need to do is make sure you have the barrier set up to not let it go into any other distinctive part of your house. Make sure you've room-proofed each room, like I have here, by lifting a power cord. And we can see this room already has no problems in it. It's completely empty. There's really nothing wrong, as you can see here. Alright, that's everything, and you may then begin relaxing, and you will most likely not get this remote control with your set. I'm going to hit the L, which is clean. Now watch your Roomba as it goes around to see if there are any problems where it might hit a wall. Make sure you've fixed any obstacles that may be in its way. Don't guide it to a new area, just let Roomba clean the room itself, and the remote control right here is basically just to show off without the vacuum really running. This can also be used to send it back to its dock, because once it gets in the vicinity of the dock, it'll turn on its dock mode. It'll dock itself. That's about it, guys. My battery is running pretty low, so I don't want to make this video too long. That is it. And when you're all done, hit the dock button. Roomba is en route of the docking station right now. As you can see, it edged closer and closer. And that's how you take the first run of your Roomba vacuum cleaner. Thanks for watching, and I will try to see you guys next time.